The question is, would you unfriend yung close friend mo? Tapos ano pala siya, turns out to be homophobic or transphobic. I-unfriend mo ba ito or friendly pa rin kayo after all?
Unfriend na po, ginawa ko na po yan. So,
Ay!
parang kung di mo ko tanggap, so bakit pa tayo friends? Dapat acceptance talaga.
Non-negotiable. Mag-unfriend ka ba?
No po. Gusto ko bigyan ng chance na turuan siya and i-open man lang yung mind niya, at least step by step or process by process sa gay world or sa LGBTQ.
Pero paano pag hindi siya, hindi mo siya nakitaan ng interest to change your mind?
I believe meron yan. It's just that may mga tao talagang ayaw lang ipakita talaga yung totoong sarili nila and yung curiosity and appreciation nila. Ngayon po.
Chances is very important.
Ayan, very well said. Ayan, at least meron tayong mga ibang perspective maliban sa amin ni Bex kanina to answer that question.
Kasi I consider homophobia as hate, and hate is not an opinion. It's a strong feeling towards someone. So for me, yes, grounds for unfriending someone yung grounds. Like the UP grounds. For unfriending yung homophobia. Also as an advocate na din for gay rights siguro. At first, I would try to ilaban or parang intindihin bakit ka homophobic, baka pwede kong i-explain sa kanya and then pagbago siya ng isip. Pero nga katulad nung sinabi niya sa letter, they have no mind in changing their opinion. So for me, kung wala talaga, kung ayaw talaga, edi okay lang.